this video, I'll walk you through the simple review of Big Buy Dropshipping. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. Big Buy is a well-known dropshipping supplier, particularly popular in Europe. However, like any dropshipping service, it has its pros and cons. Here's a summary of what you'll typically find in Big Buy dropshipping reviews. Here are some of its pros. Wide product catalog. Big Buy offers a vast range of products across numerous categories, giving dropshippers plenty of options to choose from. European focus. It's strong in the European market, which can be advantageous for sellers targeting that region. Multi-channel integration. Big Buy provides tools to integrate with various e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, simplifying the management of your online store. Wholesale pricing. Access to wholesale prices, even for individual units, can potentially lead to good profit margins. Logistics and shipping. They handle the logistics and shipping, which is a core benefit of drop shipping. Here are some key cons. First one, fees. There are often fees associated with using Big Buy that can impact profitability. This is a common complaint found in many reviews. Customer service. Some users have reported issues with customer service, including slow response times and difficulties resolving problems. This is a very common complaint in user reviews. Product quality and returns. As with any dropshipping supplier, there can be concerns about product quality and the handling of returns. Integration issues. Many users have reported issues with the integration of Big Buy with other e-commerce platforms such as Shopify.